What's going on, everybody? My name is Rico, welcome back to my channel, and in today's episode of Rico's Story we're going to do a product shoot. Right, so I bought a new camera, which is the Panasonic GH5 Lumix. As you can see, it's awesome, looks nice. There's the screen, and then here's the lens. It's the 12 to 60 millimeter Leica lens, 2.8, 4.0. I put my microphone on top of it. And that means that I need to sell this camera right here. So we're going to do a product shoot of this camera and all the accessories that I have. But first I need to set up something for that, so check it out. I've never done a product shoot before, so let's see how that goes. Now the key is to make sure you've got enough lighting to light your subjects, but for me it's not really a problem because I've got light over there, and then I've got these windows all around, which is very convenient if you shoot something like this. So that's why I chose to do it here. Another key thing you have to keep in mind is that you don't just shoot something like a medium shot or a wide shot, but that you get some details as well. So for instance, this is a wide shot or like a medium shot, and then a detail shot would be something like you grab the lens and then you snap a picture so that people can see that the lens is, ooh, back in focus, there we go, so that people can see that the lens isn't damaged or whatever. So don't forget, I'm selling this as an occasion model, so it's not a new model. If you shoot something that's new, obviously you're going to do it a little bit different, and obviously you can still use the detail shots, but right now it's very important because I want to sell my camera the best way I can, and I want people to be excited and enthusiastic when they see my pictures and be like, oh, that looks like a great camera, looks like he took great care of it, and I'm going to see if I can buy it or if it's something for me. So right, so if you don't have windows like me or an overhead light like me, and what you can do is you can buy these umbrella like lights for about 40 bucks on Amazon. You'll get two of these and a small one, and you can use it to light your subject. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to close all the curtains, and then I'm going to use just this light to snap a picture. As you can see, it's a lot more dark right now. That's because I've closed down all the curtains and I've moved the setup a little bit further in my house, so it's more dark because the overhead light still gave a lot of light. But watch me switch on my light right now. I'm going to use one light only. It needs to warm up for a little bit. As you can see, it's a lot more well lit right now. Good enough to snap a couple of pictures. So I'm going to take a picture and I'm going to show you guys. And that's it. That's how you do a product shoot or a photo shoot of a product. I hope you guys liked it. Let me know in the comment section down below. I hope I sell the camera fairly quickly. I hope someone else can enjoy it just as much as I did. There's one more thing left for me to say, which is make love to the like button. Consider subscribing if you like what you saw. Hit the bell button to be the first to be notified when I drop a new video. And until next time, doei!